Herbal medicine has been used for thousands of years, and it remains a trusted remedy for many people around the world. However, with the rise in popularity of natural health, a lot of misinformation has started to spread. From claims about certain herbs being cure-alls to misunderstandings about how and when to use them, it's important to separate the myths from the facts. In this video, we'll explore some of the most common myths in the herbalism world and debunk them with evidence-based insights. Myth 1. Echinacea stops a cold. The claim: echinacea is often hailed as a go-to herb for preventing or stopping colds. It's widely believed that taking echinacea at the first sign of a cold will reduce the severity or duration of symptoms. The reality: while echinacea does have some immune-supporting properties, the evidence around its ability to prevent or stop a cold is mixed. Several studies suggest that echinacea reduces the duration of a cold by a day or two, but it is far from a miracle cure. Additionally, the effectiveness of echinacea depends on the type of extract used, the dosage, and the timing of when it's taken. Some studies have shown little to no effect when echinacea is taken after symptoms have already appeared. So while it may offer support, it's not a guaranteed solution to stopping a cold. Myth 2. Lavender always makes you sleepy. The claim: lavender is frequently touted as a natural sedative. From essential oils to teas, lavender is said to help promote sleep and calm the nervous system. The reality: while lavender has calming and relaxing properties, it does not necessarily make everyone sleepy. The scent of lavender can be soothing, and some studies show that it can reduce anxiety and improve sleep quality in certain individuals. However, lavender doesn't act like a sedative for everyone. In fact, some people report feeling more alert after exposure to lavender. Its effect on the nervous system is more about reducing stress and anxiety, which may help some people sleep better, but it's not a direct sleep aid like valerian or melatonin. Myth 3. Herbs are completely safe because they're natural. The claim: one of the most widespread myths is that all herbs are inherently safe because they come from nature. Many people believe that herbs are free from side effects or interactions because they are natural. The reality: while herbs are natural, that doesn't mean they are always safe. Many herbs can cause side effects, especially when taken in large amounts or over extended periods. Certain herbs can also interact with medications or medical conditions. For example, St. John's wort can interfere with medications like antidepressants, birth control pills, and blood thinners. Some herbs, like kava or comfrey, can be harmful to the liver if used improperly. It's essential to treat herbal remedies with the same caution as you would pharmaceutical drugs, and consult a healthcare provider if you are taking other medications or have underlying health conditions. Myth 4. More is better with herbal remedies. The claim: if a small dose of an herbal remedy works, then a larger dose must work even better. This belief leads people to take high doses of herbs, thinking it will speed up healing or enhance the effects. The reality: taking more of an herb doesn't always lead to better results, and in some cases, it can lead to adverse effects. Many herbs have a therapeutic window, meaning there is an optimal dosage range where the herb is effective without being harmful. Going beyond that range can overwhelm the body or lead to toxicity. For example, licorice root is beneficial for supporting adrenal health and soothing the digestive system, but in high doses, it can lead to high blood pressure and electrolyte imbalances. Always stick to recommended dosages and avoid the more is better mindset when using herbal remedies. Myth 5. All herbs are safe for pregnant women. The claim: herbal remedies are often seen as a safe alternative for pregnant women who want to avoid pharmaceuticals. It's a common belief that herbs won't harm the mother or baby because they're natural. The reality: many herbs are not safe for use during pregnancy. Some herbs can stimulate uterine contractions or cause miscarriage, while others may affect fetal development. For example, herbs like pennyroyal, mugwort, and tansy are known to be unsafe during pregnancy. Even commonly used herbs like peppermint and rosemary should be used with caution, especially in the first trimester. Pregnant women should always consult with a qualified healthcare provider before using any herbal remedies to ensure safety. Myth 6. Herbal remedies work the same for everyone. The claim: because herbs are natural, they are often thought to work universally for everyone, providing the same benefits regardless of individual constitution or lifestyle. The reality, the effectiveness of herbal remedies can vary greatly from person to person. Factors like age, genetics, lifestyle, and underlying health conditions all influence how someone responds to an herb. For example, adaptogens like ashwagandha may calm anxiety in some people, but in others, it may lead to overstimulation. Herbalism recognizes the importance of bio-individuality, which means that not every herb works the same way for every person. Tailoring herbal remedies to individual needs and constitutions is key to their effectiveness. Myth 7. Herbs work instantly. The claim. People often expect herbs to work as quickly as pharmaceutical drugs. For instance, someone may take valerian or passion flower and expect immediate relief from anxiety or sleep issues. The reality, herbal remedies tend to work more gradually than synthetic medications. Herbs are generally used to support the body's natural processes, which can take time. Some herbs, like valerian or chamomile, may have quicker effects for short-term relief, but many others need to build up in the system over days or weeks before significant effects are noticed. For example, adaptogens like rhodiola or holy basil may take weeks of regular use before their full benefits are felt. Patience and consistency are essential when working with herbal remedies. Myth 8. Herbal remedies are proven by traditional use alone. The claim. The long history of traditional use of certain herbs is often seen as proof of their efficacy. If an herb has been used for centuries in herbal medicine, it must be effective. The reality. While traditional use provides valuable insight, it is not the same as scientific validation. Some herbal remedies that have been used for centuries may not have strong modern scientific evidence to back their claims. Conversely, some traditionally used herbs have been studied extensively and shown to be effective, such as turmeric for inflammation or peppermint for digestive issues. The key is to combine traditional wisdom with modern science, recognizing that some herbs may need more research to validate their traditional uses. Herbal medicine is a powerful tool for promoting health and well-being, but it's important to approach it with knowledge and caution. By debunking common myths, we can have a clearer understanding of how to use herbs safely and effectively. Whether it's understanding proper dosages, recognizing individual differences in how herbs work, or knowing when to consult a professional, a balanced approach to herbalism ensures that these natural remedies can be both effective and safe.